Hey, hello everyone. This video I will be showing you how to change or increase font size in idle Python. So let's get started. So the first thing what you do is you have to go to options, okay, and you will be having option called as configure idle. Just click it and you will be getting the settings dialog box, okay, and you need to go to fonts or tabs. So as you can see here, you will be having the size option over here. So let me just click it and we just increase the size to 40, which is the maximum size, I guess. And you're also having this bold or not bold, and these are the fonts that are available. It's showing like a preview over here. So after selecting this, you're also having the default spaces. So let me show this. Let me select this stuff, okay. I will have bold and let me select this font, and if I click apply, so as you can see here, my font size has increased, and you can just click OK. And apart from changing the font size, this particular tab has even more features. Let's suppose if you just go to highlights, you'll be having a feature to change the color of the particular text or a keyword. So let's suppose say you have this def keyword that can display in a particular color, this variable can display in a particular color, this break statement, these outputs can be displayed in a particular color. So further you can just click this, and these are the strings. It's Python strings, Python commands, Python keywords, and if you just click this, you can choose a color for each and every keyword, okay. And these keys will also have the shortcut, okay, shortcut keys for basic operations. So there's a lot of things to explore in this particular settings, and I think you would have found this video useful. I also done many other programming tutorials in Python, C, C++, Java, SQL queries, as well as 3D animation using Blender. So do check out the videos of my channel, subscribe and support me, it helps me a lot, and thanks for watching.